Ferrari fans, get ready to have your minds blown. Remember the legendary F40, the car that defined a generation of supercars? Well, its spiritual successor is coming, and it's set to redefine everything we know about performance. Meet the Ferrari F80, a hypercar so advanced, it feels like it's from another planet. This isn't just another fast Ferrari. This is the future. Imagine a design inspired by the new 499p Le Mans hypercar, sculpted by the wind for ultimate downforce and speed. We're talking a radical, aggressive look that screams performance from every angle. Think a central spine, massive air channels, and a cockpit that makes you feel like a Formula One driver. Penned by the visionary Adriano Reilly, the F80 concept is a work of art, blending brutal power with breathtaking beauty. And the best part, it's not just a drawing anymore. Ferrari is making it a reality. Let's talk about what's under the hood, or rather, behind the driver. The heart of this beast won't be a V8 or a V12. Instead, Ferrari is taking a page from their F1 playbook. The F80 will feature a twin-turbo V6 engine, similar to the one in the 296 GTB. But this one will be supercharged with a hybrid system. We're talking a combined output of 1,200 horsepower in a car that weighs next to nothing. The power-to-weight ratio is going to be absolutely insane. This is F1 technology for the road, delivering instant torque from the electric motors and a screaming top end from that V6. The performance numbers being rumored are just staggering. 0 to 60 in under 2.2 seconds. A top speed that could push past 310 miles per hour. This isn't just about straight-line speed though. The F80 is being engineered to be a track weapon. With its advanced aerodynamics, lightweight carbon fiber monocoque, and a sophisticated suspension system, it's designed to stick to the road like glue and demolish lap records at circuits around the world. Every curve, every line on this car serves a purpose: to go faster. So, who gets to own this masterpiece? Well, like all of Ferrari's top-tier halo cars, the F40, F50, Enzo, and LaFerrari the F80 will be incredibly exclusive. Production will be strictly limited, likely to just a few hundred units worldwide. And the price, expected to be well into the multi-millions. This isn't just a car you buy, it's a car you're invited to own. Ferrari will handpick its most loyal and valued customers, making the F80 one of the most sought-after collector cars before it even hits the road. The Ferrari F80 is more than just a car, it's a statement. It represents the pinnacle of automotive engineering, a fusion of racing technology and road-going insanity. It's the next chapter in a legendary lineage, and it's poised to become an instant icon. The F40 was the definitive hypercar of its time, and the F80 is set to take that crown for the modern era. We're witnessing the birth of a new legend. What do you think about the F80? Is a V6 hybrid the right move for Ferrari's next halo car? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this look into the future, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more on the world's most incredible cars. See you in the next one.